In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature block in a PDF for someone else to sign using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're looking to streamline document signing processes, or if it's just your first time doing this, you've landed in the right place. So let's get started and dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to open your desired PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is your starting point, so make sure you have the file you want to add a digital signature block to ready on your computer. Once your document is open, you'll see numerous options at your disposal. What you're going to do now is locate and click on the All Tools button. You'll find this at the top left corner of your screen. This button provides you access to a comprehensive array of tools that Adobe Acrobat offers. Now, in this toolbox, look for Prepare a Form and click on it. This particular tool is specifically designed for handling forms, which includes creating fields for digital signatures. After selecting Prepare a Form, the next step is to click on Select a File. This is where you reaffirm your choice of document, ensuring that the correct file is ready for modification. With your document now loaded in the Prepare Form mode, the next action is to click on Create Form. This initiates the form field editing process where you can add different fields to your document. For our purpose today, we want to add a digital signature field. To do this, look to the left side of your screen and there you'll find the option labeled Digital Signature. Click on this option. This is what you'll use to create a signature block. Now comes the exciting part, locating the exact spot on your document where you want the digital signature field to appear. Move your cursor over to the spot you've decided on and give it a click. This action places the signature field precisely where you need it in the document. With that done, it's time to make sure everything works as it should. At the bottom left of your screen, there's a preview button. Clicking on this gives you a preview of how the signature field looks in relation to the rest of the document. This step allows you to double check the placement and function of your new signature block before finalizing anything. Once you're satisfied with what you see in preview mode, simply click Exit Preview. This step brings you back to the editing interface where you can evaluate the changes. And voila, you've successfully added a digital signature block to your PDF. By following these steps, you've made your document ready for signing by someone else, ensuring the process is both efficient and professional. Thanks for joining me today and happy signing.